All right, let's take a look at some indices real quick. So actually, before we look at these charts, I'm going to bring up that post from the 31st. Okay, so we talked about some of the volume reversal stuff, right? All right, so if you can see these red and blue bars, these are monthly volume reversals, right? This is big picture stuff. So we had a big monthly reversal in SPY in January. Look at some of the other ones we've had. Last time we had anything like this was actually back in 2007, right? Now again, this is not like a timely, short-term signal like where you're looking to, oh, I saw it, I'm going to go short. Like we didn't top until 3 months later, right? In October. Buy signal back here in 2002. We had top warnings back in 97, 98, which would not have worked out, by the way. QQQ, we got a volume reversal last month in January. Last bearish one we had was actually here at the top of the, before the tech implosion in the early 2000s. But again, even here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months, we levitated sideways to higher before we got resolution to the downside. And this is important for several reasons. Here's the Dow ETF, Diamonds, DIA, right? Volume reversal last month, volume reversal 2018, volume reversal, early 2007. I think it was maybe June, July 2007. Bottom signal 2002. So you have all these monthly volume warnings. Yet, guess what? We also had weekly bottom signals. So again, if you read the posts, then you will see all these things, and they're all written about and everything. So like where my head's at with this is that, all right, we had weekly bottoms, capitulation on the downside, but we have bigger picture monthly top warnings, if you will. It would make total sense to me if we end up trading, in a volatile sideways to slightly higher, kind of market for the next, several months before we get a directional move. I'm not going to pretend that I know that it's lower or higher. I don't know. But my point is we just had a very volatile period. We had VIX above 30. Market typically quiets down after that, right? So, needs to get boring again and kind of screw everybody on both sides if we're going to actually have a bigger top. So something to keep in mind. And after that, I will leave you with, again, this long-term S&P picture, which is this beautiful channel that we topped at. And frankly, you look at it from this perspective, we actually didn't even get to massive support yet, right? The bigger support is probably down here, somewhere closer to like, let's call it 4,000 S&Ps. So, I don't know, something to keep in mind there. All right, well, for me, that's about it. Again, a very interesting and fun start to the year trading-wise with the volatility that we've had. Love you're on the upside, especially, again, if we do hold these levels through the week. And the biggest thing I would be paying attention to is that 1350.80 zone in terms of support to really launch this thing higher. I mean, you look at this, we're breaking out, right? So that, and combined with the volume reversals that we've got on those currency ETFs, that's good information. So I don't think there's a lot of Euro bulls out there. It doesn't make a whole lot of sense if you think about it, which, sometimes those make the best trades. Price will lead, right? The stories and the narratives will come out later. All righty. So that's it for me. Again, Jamie Saettele here for the FX Power Hour on Feb 3rd, 2022 for Scandinavian Capital Markets and SB Trade Desk. And take care and have a great rest of your week.